Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com, where we provide cloud computing services that allow your employees to work from anywhere and still be under one virtual roof. We do this by hosting over 300 software applications and their associated data. All of those applications and data can be accessed and used from any of the devices you see on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281.
Okay, so I got an email today from a potential customer who was asking about using a handwriting pad to write notes in ACT or to even create a Word document. And I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to open that email now so you can see it. And the product or the manufacturer's name is Wacom. At least I think that's how that's pronounced. And while I can't test that specific device because I don't have one here, what I can do is I can test the microphone on the iPad and show how that works in our hosted environment. So I'm going to go to our virtual desktop right now. And I'm physically sitting in Orlando, Florida. This is my iPad sitting on my desk here in Orlando, but this screen that you're seeing is coming from our data center facility in Bellingham, Washington, and this is a Windows desktop. So the first thing I'm going to do is just open up Word real quick, just a double tap there, just like you would open it if you were double clicking on it on a desktop. And you can see how quick that opened. And I'm going to tap this little keyboard button up here in the top of the screen. And if you look down here to the left of the space bar, there's a little microphone button. So I'm going to tap that. And this is a test to see how the voice-to-text feature on the iPad works in the virtual desktop. And as you can see, it typed in perfectly what I said, although it thinks iPad is spelled wrong, which is kind of interesting. Pretty cool, huh? All right, now watch this. We're going to close out of this, and I'm going to go over here to ACT, and we're going to add a note. Same deal. Tap the keyboard, tap the microphone. This is a test to see how the microphone on the iPad is able to add a note to an ACT contact record in the database. Check that out. Now, I know there's a limit to how much you can record on the microphone at one time, and it's a limit for the iPad. So I think it probably beeps at you once you reach that limit, but it's pretty big, as I recall. And once you reach it, you can just tap the microphone. It'll copy in what you just spoke, and then you can tap the microphone again and start speaking some more. So not a big deal there. Anyway, that pretty much does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.
Thanks again for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com. Keep in mind, everything that you saw in this video can be done from any of the devices on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281.